नमस्कार, खुश रहो बेटियाओं। माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन एंड इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। Session name: Chemical composition of man-made and synthetic fiber. In previous session, we was already discussed chemical composition of natural fiber, and majority of vegetable fibers are cellulosic fiber because the highest percentage of composition was found cellulose. That's why they all are called cellulosic fiber. Similarly, in the chemical composition of man-made fiber, highest percentage was found cellulosic material, which is used to design the rayon material. Rayon is regenerated and man-made fiber. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber are known as polymer fiber, and mainly they are the chemical composition of polymer chain of hydroxyl and oxyhydroxyl groups. Chemical composition and molecular arrangement of rayon. Manufactured fibers of regenerated cellulose in which substitutes have replaced not more than 15% of hydrogens of the hydroxyl group. The mainly rayon is composition of hydroxyl group. Manufactured fibers of regenerated cellulose in which substitutes have replaced not more than 15% of hydrogens of the hydroxyl groups. So the main chemical composition of rayon fiber is hydroxyl group. Chemical composition of viscous rayon. Viscous rayon is another type of rayon. H2SO4 10%, N2SO4, Na2SO4 18%, glucose 0.02%, ZnSO4 0.1%, water 69%. So the highest percentage was found water. Chemical composition of polyester fiber. When a carboxyl acid with two carboxyl group is esterifies with an alcoholic containing two hydroxyl group, long chain is called polyester, can be made. Some of these materials have major industrial uses. In the most important example, the carboxyl acid, teraphenyl acid is esterifies with ethylene glycol. This is the chemical structure of polyester. Polyester is group of two carboxyl acids, two carboxyl group with alcohol containing hydroxyl group. Long chain is called polyester. This is the example of polyester: hydroxyl group, a carbohydroxyl group. Nylon 6. Amides. Nylon is known as amides. Amides is nomenclature. The functional group of an amide is ACYL group bonded to a trivalent nitrogen atom. Amides are named by dropping the suffix -OIC acid from the IUPAS name of the parent acid, or IC acid from its common name, and replacing it by amides. Amides is the nomenclature, or it is the another group of chemical composition which is designed for nylon 6, and the amides are designed in chemical structure as a polymer chain. They are used for the nylon 6. This is the example of acetate amides, N-methylene amides, and N-dimethylene formaldehyde amides. They are using to design the nylon 6 fabric or the nylon 6 textile fiber, synthetic fiber. If the nitrogen atom of amides is bonded to alkaline and aryl group, the group is named and its location on nitrogen is indicated by N dash. Two alkaline and aryl group of the nitrogen are indicated by N dash Di. Amides bonded are the key structure features that join amino acids together to the polypeptides and proteins. Cyclic amides are called lactams. Their common name are derived in manner similar to those lactones, with the difference that the suffix olacton is replaced by olactam. Carbolactam is the starting material for the synthesis of nylon 6. This is the complete structure. We must be learn the chemical name and the chemical composition and their numerical. Polymides can be formed by two different methods. This is the third example of synthetic fibers. Polymides can be formed by two different methods. First is condensation of the molecules that contain both a carboxyl and the amino NH2 or NH group. This is the method by which protein are synthesized in nature. The carboxyl group of one amino acid molecule from an amides bond with the amino group of the next amino acid, producing chain which may be long or short. In the second method, a molecule that contains two carboxyl group is combined with another molecule that has two amino group when adipic acid, for example, is combined with hexamethylene adiamine. The resulting polymer is called nylon 6.6, the number coming from fact that each monomer molecule has 6 carbon atoms in its chain. The nylons are a family of polymer, the member of which have subtly different properties that suit them to one use or another. The most widely used member of this family are nylon 6,6, nylon 6, nylon 6 point, nylon 6, so named because it is synthesized from the caprolactam. A 6 carbon monomer is fabricated into fibers, brush bristles, rope, high impacted moldings and the tire coats. This is the example of nylon 6.6. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. This is the chemical structure of the man-made fibers and the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are completely chemical structure fiber. Hydroxy carbohydroxy group, which is used in polymer chain, and the polymer chain of these hydroxy and carbohydroxy chemicals is designed the fiber, and their composition is polymer chain. One monomer is used for composition and the multiple monomer design the different fibers. Example, polyester is simplest example of polymer fiber, and the composition is carboxy group, and the nylon 6 and 6.6 hydroxy group, methylene group, and the other chemicals polymer chain is also designed the nylon material. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.